everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's great to have you here. My name is Fern. I appreciate you joining us today. Today's video is another exciting one. As you can tell by the title, it's another clothing haul. Now, my last clothing haul was a Primark one and loved the stuff I got. It was great. Decided I needed to spend some more money, so I spent some coin on INTHESTYLE and MISSGUIDED. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to see what I've picked up from INTHESTYLE and MISSGUIDED, then just keep on watching. I might start with INTHESTYLE first, just because they had a £5 outlet on their website. They had quite a bit, and I think I only spent about £25. It was £28.99 just because of the delivery on top of that, but I am obsessed with some of these items and I can't wait to show you. Obviously everything will be linked in the description just to see if anything's in stock for you guys if you wanted to check it out. So the first item is the Etta Teal flared sleeve plunge skater dress. It looks like this, so it does look a little bit sheer, but I'm pretty sure with the nude underwear this will be absolutely fine. It's just a plunge neck, cinched in at the waist, short little dress. It's like a silky satiny material and it's got slightly flared sleeves as well. I think this would be so cute with just a simple pair of heels, but I'd probably put a belt around it as well just to cinch it in even more. But I really like the style of this, and when I saw that it was only £5 I was like, that's going straight in my basket. Got this in a size 8 and this was originally £26.99 according to the receipt, so bargain. This is the teal dress. I absolutely love this. I think the sleeves are nice, the material's nice, it's not see-through like I thought it wouldn't be. I like the length of it and I think it's really flattering. The neckline, I like a plunge neckline. I think some nipple stickers and tape would be great for this just so you don't pop out. And this is what it looks like without the belt. So it's still cinched in, but I feel like the belt just helps it out a lot. The next item is very creased. Obviously I would iron the shit out of this if I was going to wear it out, but this is the Generally white satin blazer jacket. This says it was originally £44.99 and I got this in a size 10, and this does say it was part of FEMME's collection, but it's literally just a bright white satin blazer. It's got shoulder pads so it gives the shoulders a little bit more structure. Just don't spit anything on it. And while I've got an outfit on, I thought I would just show you this white satin blazer as well. The more I've looked at it, I do feel like it looks a little bit cheap. Like, it's not very thick, the material, you know, it's not great, but I liked it, and I feel like if this has a really good iron and you wear it with a really nice classy outfit, it could look nice. I wouldn't really team this together, maybe with some black jeans, but I wouldn't really wear the satin on satin. I don't know, I do like it, and for £5 I think I'm just going to keep it anyway and see how I can style this. This next item is again from FEMME's collaboration with INTHESTYLE. This does smell. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it's just not very nice. I don't know whether if I washed it the smell would go away, but it's basically a yellow matte vinyl strapless mini dress. It's literally a like matte vinyl, you know, like the PVC, is it PVC? Type clothing, but it's like matte, it's not like shiny. Yellow little bodycon mini dress. It just does it at the back. Like I said, this is part of FEMME's collection. I got this in a size 8. It's a little bit tighter than usual just because of the material, but I can get in it and it zips up fine. This dress is supposedly £34.99. Obviously got it for a £5. Here is the yellow matte vinyl kind of dress. Like I said, I really like this. I think it's odd because of the material, and it does have a really weird smell, but I think if I put this in the wash, the smell will go away. But I think it hugs my figure really nicely. It does, I think it fits. It's quite tight, and obviously the material is kind of like rolling, but I don't think it looks bad. The next item I picked up from INTHESTYLE is Charlotte Crosby leopard print scoop back bodycon dress. I also got this in a size 8 and this was originally $24.99. So this is part of one of Charlotte's collections. It's just like, I just loved the print of this. Like, I know leopard print's coming back in, but this just looked a little bit different. It's literally a strappy square neck dress, which I love that neckline at the moment. And it's literally like a little mini bodycon dress. It's quite thin material, but again, with some seamless nude underwear, I think it would be absolutely fine. This is the leopard tiger kind of dress from Charlotte Crosby's collection. I really like this one as well. This fits really nicely. I'm like really comfortable in this, and I really like the back, because I think like an open back is quite sexy sometimes. The only thing I would say about this is because it kind of just like hooks around your arm, this little bit here is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of annoying, but I don't know, I think if I was drunk I wouldn't really care. And the last thing that I picked up from INTHESTYLE is very, very creased right now. I would obviously iron these as well before I wore them out. But these are from Tammy Hembro's collection within INTHESTYLE. I got these in a size 8, and these are called Tammy Hembro Gold Satin Wide Leg Trousers. And originally these say they were $27.99. Got them for a $5. I thought these were stunning. I was a little bit worried they'd be too long, so we'll have to see. But they are very high-waisted, gold satin, wide leg trousers, so they're all the way down. The leg is very wide. It's going to be quite hard to show you guys these trousers. I will pan down a little bit just to show you the length. They are quite long, but I feel like with a pair of quite high heels they'd be fine. They just touch the floor if I'm on my tiptoes. So I'm 5'5". I think if you're any shorter they could be too long for you. They're very, very high-waisted, but I like that. And I've just kept a like little black bralette on. I mean, if you were confident and comfortable, you could totally go out wearing this. This is the bottom half of them as well, so obviously like you can see they're very long down to the floor. But I think they look quite cute. So that was everything from INTHESTYLE. I'm obsessed and I cannot wait to wear all of these clothes. So moving on to MISSGUIDED. I spent a lot more money on MISSGUIDED. My total was £160. But Jordan Lipscomb had a 30% off discount code. I had £48 taken off of my total, so I paid £112. So the first thing is just called a pink stripe cami culotte jumpsuit. Got it in a size 8, and this is £28. So this is the top of the jumpsuit. It has adjustable straps, may I add, and this is very handy because when I tried it on, the straps were really loose and it was like hanging off. So I pulled up a little bit higher and it fits so much better. It basically goes down into some wide leg culottes. It's pink and black stripes all the way down on each leg. Again, this one needs a little bit of ironing. I do like this, but I'm just not sure. I love that it's got adjustable straps because this is nice and tight, and I don't feel like my boobs are going anywhere. I do feel really secure in this. This middle bit here is kind of tight, but it's literally like the right size for my waist and my rib area here. I think the length is really, really nice as well. Yeah, I'm just not sure. I can't decide whether I like this or not, so I don't know whether I'm keeping it. But it's called a white stripe oversized shirt dress. Again, I got this in a size 8, and this was £25. The fabric I wasn't really expecting. It's kind of just like a thin textured cotton fabric, but I don't mind it. It just wasn't what I was expecting. It's basically a striped, if I can show you, shirt dress. So I feel like I'd probably wear a belt with it to cinch in and kind of like pull it up a little bit, just so it's not as long. But I think this is like a really effortless, classy look with some heels. So I'm not gonna lie, I have worn this already. It can be a little bit see-through, but because it's so baggy, it's not like up against your skin tight. So if you just have some little seamless nude underwear under this, I think it's absolutely fine. I've rolled the sleeves up so they're more cuffed, which I like a lot more. I feel like this could be flattering on so many people, like it is so big. So yeah, I paired a belt with it and I thought it looked really nice. The back is longer, so it does cover your bum, but the front is not too short so that you're feeling left uncomfortable, like you're gonna flash someone. The next item I got from MISSGUIDED is a yellow twist cami dress, again in a size 8, and this was £20. I love the look of this, and I feel like it would be so flattering on a lot of people's figures. It's basically a, again, strappy, adjustable straps. Thank you, MISSGUIDED. You may not be doing well with see-through fabric, but at least you've got adjustable straps. It's another plunge v-neck. But yeah, it's got a twist there, and then it kind of wraps over with this little bit here. And it's just like a little mini dress. The zip is on the side this time here, rather than at the back. The back is just plain, and I think this is just stunning. Again, perfect little dress to just chuck on with some heels. I am obsessed with this dress. I feel like this is probably my favourite item of the whole haul, just because I feel like it's really, really flattering. It's such an easy, simple dress. And I love the colour. I love the colour, I love the material. You guys know I love satin silky stuff. I would literally just wear some nipple stickers, maybe some boob tape just to be secure. But I do feel secure in this because it has adjustable straps, which is amazing. The next item is again stripy. I will just say now, I don't think I'm going to keep this one because I've tried it on and it's just not for me. This is called a white stripe tie front split midi dress. Size 8, and it was £22. This is just too see-through for me. I did try it on, and I'm pretty sure I had nude underwear on, but you could just see it. Okay, I thought I was going to love this dress. Unfortunately, I don't. The material, it feels really thick, and it's really comfortable. But again, it's see-through. Like, I don't understand how such a thick material can still be see-through, and this is why you need to be careful with white clothes. I really like the style of it because I've not had anything like this before. It's comes just below your knee. It's got a split in the left leg. It ties up by your boobs by here. I don't know whether you can tell if it's see-through, but against the light on my mirror I can see my nude underwear through this, so yeah. The next item I got is a black slinky scoop neck cycling unitard. Again in a size 8, and this was £15. So when it says slinky, I assumed it was like, you know, the thicker slinky like double layered material. I thought it would be like that, but this is quite sheer as well. Yeah, you can kind of see through that. Yeah, nude underwear might be okay. But I feel like with this material, if you stretched it like by bending over, I feel like you'd still see your underwear through it. We'll just have to see. This isn't that thick. I thought it was going to be like a slinky double layer kind of material. It's really nice material, that slinky, but it's kind of thin. I would probably pair it with like this denim jacket and some trainers or something, just because it's like cash. On the subject of cycling shorts, I picked up some cycling shorts. I previously bought 2 pairs from Pretty Little Thing that were £5. They're just bog standard cotton shorts and they're really see-through. I bought a black pair and like a creamy beige pair. I like them, haven't really been able to wear them just because you could see straight through them. So I went on to MISSGUIDED and found a pair of black ones. They were £10 and they're called black slinky cycling shorts. Again in a size 8. I have tried these on just because I was quite excited, and this is the material I wanted the unitard to be. It's the same material, but it's like double layered, it's thick, and you can't really see through these. I've just paired it with a little black crop top that I've tied at the front just to show you the shorts. So they come just above my belly button, so they're nice and high-waisted. I just really, really like them. I feel comfortable in these. And the last item that I got from MISSGUIDED, I thought was going to be my absolute favourite. I thought it was going to be my new favourite dress. I was so excited, and this is what I started the shop on MISSGUIDED for. Originally this is £40 and it's called a white floaty sleeve belted satin drape dress. Size 8. I'm so disappointed. Like I've been saying through this, a lot of these items are see-through. They're just so see-through. I'm absolutely gutted because it doesn't really fit the way I wanted it to either. It's completely see-through. Even with like nude underwear, it's just not gonna work. So this is definitely going back. It looked amazing on the model. I absolutely loved it. So it's basically a white wrap kind of dress. But what drew me to it was this gold belt here. Come on, Misguided, £40. I can't even wear this. This dress, I'm just so disappointed with. I've had to put a black bralette on under this just because it's so gapey. Like the shoulders, are you supposed to wear it bloody off the shoulder? It's so big around here, and then it's really tight here. I can't even lift my arms up very far. And then it's really tight around like my hips and my bum as well. I don't know whether you can see, it's literally completely see-through. I love Misguided as a brand and their clothes, but you can't charge £40 for this. Yeah, I am really impressed with the stuff from INTHESTYLE. Misguided, not so much. I love the style of the clothes. It's just, guys, you need to up your game with the fabric. Like, it's 2018. Why are things still see-through? Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what item was your favourite. If you've got any of these, let me know if you've checked out INTHESTYLE's £5 outlet and if you got anything from there. Everything will be linked in the description, so go down there, check it out. If you did enjoy, please smash that thumbs up button. It would help me out a lot. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and click that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. I might change my upload day. I don't know. I don't mind uploading on a Thursday, but when would you guys prefer me to upload? On a weekend? In the middle of the week? A lot of people upload on a Friday or like a Sunday. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!